Hey guys, it's Miss Awesome and I'm going to make a video on how to make a fish like this out of like Play-Doh, this Gazz it up. It's like this, looks like this. You can use this, you can use Play-Doh. I love Play-Doh. It's like one of my favorite things to play with, especially for American Girl doll stuff. I recommend using Play-Doh or clay, air-dried clay, not the baking clay because it takes too long. So, I'm going to show you how to make this fish. I love Gazz it, because it's nice and squishy. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make it, I guess, blue. I'm going to take some Gazz it, you can find almost anywhere. So, yeah. And it doesn't stick to you. It's like a bunch of little balls stuck together. So, and if you're using Gazz it, especially on a light color, wash your hands because the dirt will like get onto it and change its color. Because I mean, my yellow once looked nasty. Okay, so like make it in an oval shape, like an unusual shape. Like an oval shape, yeah. Like this. And just flatten down the ends so it'll look nice and smooth. It looks so nasty. Okay, so you've got that part down. Okay, I'm going to lower it down so you can see it down here. Okay, so after that, you're going to take a different color, or you can use the same color, it doesn't matter, but I want to use a different color. I'm going to use purple. And take a little piece of it, about this big, and make it where it's like a fin, where it's like, it's flat down here, and then it curves, like on one side, like a shark's fin. You probably know what I mean, like that. And stick it right on top, or it's like this. Next, you're gonna take about the same amount, well, the wrong color, about the same amount, maybe a little bit bigger, and do the same, but facing differently. Like what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it on the bottom, so it's gonna, the fin's gonna go like back, where it's facing its back. Like so. Like that. See, this is where the fins, well, this is where the fins, the back fin's going to go, and the eyes and the mouth's going to go right there. So, yeah. And then, I'm going to do the back fin. You're going to need about a pretty big ball. About this big. Or, it depends what size your fish you're making. So, make it like straight. Make it like straight. And then a point, and then stick it out. Like that. Like so. Like that. And then you're gonna stick it like that. It's like that. Oh yeah. Or you can make it where it's looking like this. Mine looks better like that, but you can do it however. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take red and take like a small ball. This is going to be the eye, so make the eye where it looks pretty good. And then take about the same amount and roll it out about as small as this, and then make it a mouth like that. And there's my tutorial on the fish. So, and I hope you liked it, and comment, rate, subscribe, and hope you like my video. Bye.